This feels illegal to know, but imagine having a real-time conversation with Liam Otley, Alex Hormozy, Sam Ovens, Tim Ferriss, or any of your favorite YouTubers. Well, we're about to make that a reality by creating a GPT crawler that downloads video transcripts from an entire YouTube channel and integrates that into ChatGPT. Fans, followers often have questions or seek advice based on specific content from their favorite YouTubers, but can't get direct access for a one-on-one conversation. By the end of this video, you will be able to download any YouTuber's video transcripts and interact with their content through a custom GPT interface, starting with Liam Otley, who's an innovator in this space of custom GPTs. So let's get started. First and foremost, find a channel that you want to download the transcript for. For this case, this example, we're going to use Liam Otley's YouTube channel. So when you go click on the channel, you'll notice there's a ton of videos. I believe there's 73 videos here in this channel. So what we're going to do, go to the channel page, copy the channel ID. I'm going to show you two ways to do it. One is a no code way and the other is with code, but I'll give you the code for free so you can download the transcript as well. The first way, I found this website called YouTube channel Transcriptscom, where you could just provide the channel ID and then search for all the videos in that channel. It'll give you all the videos. You can download them as TXT files or any other format that you wish. This is what it would look like. Now, to download the entire channel, you would click on download bulk and you'll be able to download the entire channel transcripts. It'll give you a zip file. It takes a while to process. I found it a little bit buggy at times. That's why I'm going to show you the way to do it with code. It's always reliable, so definitely take advantage of that. I'm using Google Collaboratory. It allows you to run Python code in the cloud for free using Jupyter Notebooks. You have to run one block at a time. First off, make sure you run the first block to install the Google YouTube Transcript API package library. Yeah, I almost forgot. You also need a YouTube API key. So all you need to do is go to Google Cloud Console. So that means you need to have a Gmail account of that sort. Go to console and then you'll click on new projects. Give your project a name. Click on create. It's gonna create that project. Click on API and services. And here you're gonna enable API service. You're gonna search for the YouTube data API version 3. Go ahead and enable that. Then you'll go to credentials. And then you're going to create credentials API key. It's going to give you a new API key. So make sure you copy that API key. We're going to be using that in our Google Collaboratory notebook. You're going to go ahead and go back to Google Collaboratory. On the left panel, you'll see a key icon. It's going to give you a panel. You can go ahead and input the API key there. And let's go start running the code. And also make sure the channel ID here is the same channel you're going to be using to download the videos for. Once you run the last block, it'll take some time to process all the text. So give it a while until it finishes running. Might take a minute or so. So go ahead and get coffee or something and come back. You'll notice the file downloaded as a JSON file. And this is what it looks like, the video IDs as well as the transcript for each video. You can scroll to the left or right to see the whole extent of the document that's produced. Now the next part, we're going to create a custom GPT using the GPT builder in ChatGPT. So you need to have a ChatGPT Pro account in order to do this. It's only $20 a month, but it's worth it. It'll save you so much time and it'll help you in so many different areas. A lot of people are using it to revolutionize their business processes. So don't get left behind. Take advantage of custom GPT builders. And if you need any help or assistance, remember to join the GPT Pioneers Club to get access to like-minded people in this space. You could also use ChatGPT to come up with a cool logo, title, as well as a set of instructions, which is the prompt, and it will help guide the conversation for the chatbot. So make sure you use solid prompt engineering practices while you do so. I'm going to include some pro tips on prompt engineering here. And also, if you need more advice, make sure you join the waitlist for my course where I'll teach you more on how to build custom GPTs with Python. Once the GPT is ready with solid title, description, prompt, as well as a knowledge base, go ahead and save this. I'm going to save it on my end, but you can also save it, share it with the public or with a friend, etc. You could even sell GPTs. Just keep in mind with the ethics and legal considerations while doing so. Make sure you ask for proper permission. But knowing how to build custom GPTs like this will set you apart from the competition. And not only that, you'll be able to sell GPTs, sell this as a service to people who want to skyrocket their reach, engagement, and also provide valuable information to their audience. All right, this is now ready, live, and good to go. So we can ask some common questions, and it's searching the knowledge base. Now, not only is it going to pull from the knowledge base on prior content, it can also generate new ideas for future content, as well as give you insights into the future, because it's always going to be based on Liam Otley's belief system, as well as all the content that I've created over the years. So this is a good resource to have. Now, he doesn't create as much content as he used to, so this will give you a quick insight into his mind, and also will help you in your day-to-day process as you're trying to scale your AI business and want to make money with AI. And there you have it, your very own gateway to chatting with the insights of any YouTuber. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to dive deeper into the world of AI and content creation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell every time I drop value in this channel. Now, if you want resources for this video, I'm going to include that in the description. Also, don't forget to join my free Discord community, the GPT Pioneers Club. Over there, you will be able to network with like-minded individuals. Let's build something together and let's innovate in this space. Thanks for joining me on this exciting journey. Until next time, keep exploring and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Happy coding, GPT Pioneers, let's go.